Today, we'll be going over using OpenOffice instead of Excel for your Vend products. Alright, so first, we're going to download our current list of products. As you can see, I have plenty in here. So I'm going to go ahead and export them. I'm going to be exporting them into a CSV format. We have quite a bit of product, so this will take a few moments. Alright, once your products are finished exporting, if you do not see the download automatically pop up down here in the left-hand corner, you just have to click the Start Download button. And then it's been downloaded. Now, we do not want to click this and open it. We're going to actually open our file manager. In the file manager, we'll right-click on the download, then click Open With, and we will select OpenOffice. You want to make sure the character set is set to Unicode UTF-8. The language can be English or your preferred language. So you're going to want to have it start from row 1 and have it be separated by a comma. The text delimiter is a quotation mark. You want to leave the quoted field as text. Do not check the Detect Special Numbers box. We will then go down here and we want to find this SKU column. We want to click it where it says Standard. Then we want to change the column type from Standard to Text. This will prevent any zeros from being dropped off. Select OK. You have now successfully imported a product list that keeps the SKU numbers as they should be, with zeros if they have them. You can use this for any software, not just Vend. So if you're moving to Vend from a different point of sale, please ensure when you export your product list, you are using these directions to import it into Vend. So once we finish here, we're going to go ahead and save it. So we'll click File, then Save As. I'm going to save it as MPI Vend Import, but you can name it whatever you'd like. And I'm going to save it to the desktop. It's going to ask you if you want to keep the current format or if you would like to move it into an ODF format, but you're going to choose to keep it in the current format. And just like that, you're all done. If you want to learn more about using OpenOffice with a Vend system or are looking to work with a certified Vend reseller to enhance your point of sale experience, please contact MPI at 1-800-518-5020 or email us at sales@mpipos.com. Thanks for watching.